Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, excited to introduce our newest club, the Door Banner Club. I love these door banners, so fun to display, maybe even on a door as they suggest, or maybe entryway. So this is something put together by Riley Blake, a kit each month to really just celebrate that month. And this is from their group of designers there at Riley Blake. This is just some of their designers, with each one making a contribution of their idea for that particular month. So we'll be able to really celebrate each one of these designers all throughout our 12 months. How Riley Blake packages their kits are beautiful. You have a lovely box, the fabrics you need for the project, including the top, as well as your binding and your pattern. For backing, just grab something out of your stash, maybe something you're seeing on the website, and that will be used as your backing, as well as your hanging sleeve on the back. Now, most of these are piecing, kind of patchwork. There's a couple that do have applique, but for the most part, as you can see, this is all piecing. That's what these notions that are on the table are all about. The most important thing before I kind of dive into that is we have a limited amount of space available in this program. I connected with Riley Blake and really grabbed as many spots as I could. It is very limited. So the most important thing of everything I'm going to be saying here is to grab your spot in that program. Now, because we always want to encourage new people that are just now discovering the joy of quilting, but maybe haven't had the chance to get some lessons, let us be your instructors. As we kick off this program with our first project actually being the Happy Easter one, which will be shipping in February of 2024. So you have plenty of time to make and display that. Tammy and I will be doing some supplemental video to show you, how do these go together? How do we work with applique? How do we work with an applique mat, our light box, and a layout diagram to do applique? What are the tips and techniques? How do we use these rulers, the patchwork pins, all of the things on the set, so that our door banners come out looking just like this? Teaching you is what we love to do. So we invite you to tune into that. Free, of course, 24/7 at your convenience. My favorite thing is quilting in my pajamas. So I love being able to watch a video on a technique I don't know. And then I go jump into my sewing room and give it a try. Now, these beautiful door banners should be displayed, and we have a beautiful hanger here that was designed at Shabby Fabrics, and we call this our Welcome Home Craft Hanger. This is what we will certainly be using to display our project each month. You only need one of those. It's not required. Maybe you don't even want to have a hanging sleeve. Maybe you like to just tack up a project. If that's you, this is not a door banner that you would need. But if you're like me, I want to have a special spot reserved for that, be sure to reserve this as well. You don't have to necessarily purchase that. You can just reserve that. Notions are on the table, as I mentioned, lots of creative grid rulers. We've got a little bit of applique on two of the projects, so there is some heat and bond light. And of course, our normal notions. Patchwork pin is key for a good patchwork. The replacement blades, fresh needles, good thread, you know the drill. Most importantly, grab your spot in the program. If you're like me and you like to display in a beautiful craft hanger, be sure to reserve that as well, and maybe add any other notions you might need. We are super excited to kick this off in 2024. I will see you soon on another Shabby video.